today we're going to be fixing store-bought slime.
Yeah, look at it.
Mine's is green
And mine is pink.
So we're gonna be decorating it. Yeah. And fixing it. So we got some, I don't know what these called, some balls, things.
We got some glitter.
We got some balls, 2 colors. And we got some food coloring.
And
make sure you subscribe in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And follow our social medias right here.
And hit that like bell.
And let's get into this video. Shout, shout, shoot. So, Abigail, can I take it out?
Yeah.
No, I'm going to keep it in there because the food coloring kind of soak.
Okay, let's pick.
Oh, I'm making 2 colors.
Let's hit the ball. They're glittery.
Alright. So I'm actually going to take it out. Everything off my okay.
There's a lot of glitter.
Okay. So we'll take out all of it.
Ooh, it looks pretty. I'm not gonna pick all of it because they already look pretty.
The pink. Ooh, it looks pretty.
What happened if?
Okay. So I'm gonna break it in half.
This kind of look like red.
So I'm doing different colors. Is this the same?
Guys, look at my slime.
Okay, poke it. Can't wait to.
It's pretty.
That is not a poke.
Yeah,
okay.
It's already sounds fun.
I'm gonna do a cotton candy. Got blue and yeah. I don't know if this gonna turn the color I want it to be.
Okay, now.
What if it turns not cute? What if I just do blue? Should I just do blue? I don't know. I'm gonna do a little color. A little.
How to open this?
I'm gonna go with this. Just take off the
I'm gonna, niece is gonna rate it. Who have the best?
I don't
slime.
think she don't like hers.
Mine?
Yeah.
Mine looks
she
pretty.
do not like pink.
Well, it looks pretty.
It's pretty.
I don't want the
Why
knife to
smell
get
like
on my
that?
hands.
Who smelled glitter?
I know.
She always smelling stuff.
Even the cookies. Ooh, no. This is not turning the color I want. Is this turning a pretty color?
Nope.
It's turning a color that I like.
It looks pretty.
Oh, no.
You color testing?
Yes, I was color testing and it did not turn out
I'm
good.
done.
So I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it both.
I'm done.
Blue.
I think you're going to take a little time.
No, it's not taking.
I think you
a long
should take
time.
yours out, Abigail. So
Yeah,
we
take
could
yours out.
see it fully.
Fully.
True. I don't want to mess it up.
You could put more.
I have more.
You don't have no more?
Of this.
Okay, so.
We tried to put more. You see that glitter?
Okay, guys. Is this green?
Yeah, it's green.
This is green. Look. Yeah, that's green. I'm just gonna do a green slime, but just with blue. Okay, I'm making it darker. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, it is green. I thought this was blue because it had a different top.
Okay, I'm going to take it out. It's heavy.
That's really heavy. The balls are falling.
Let's push the balls in there because you need to push it all the way. No, it's going. Ooh.
That's beautiful.
Ooh, that's
Let me
dark pink. That's a dark pink.
Look, guys. Ooh.
I actually want blue in this slime.
So pretty. It's
It
supposed to
turned
be
darker.
a pink theme because I like it.
Okay, guys. I'm going to see you when I get some blue dye. Because I don't
Ooh.
So, guys, I did not want blue, actually, because it was already a dark green. So
Mine is pretty. It's like bubble gum or bubble tea.
bubblegum or bubble tea.
Yeah. It looks so pretty.
Yeah, I'm just gonna add.
Here's this pole.
Wait. It's getting.
Ooh. Why you added? You should have made it red. You should have made already blue. Okay.
I'm gonna say.
Think it's good. Let's add it.
Guys, look at this. And our sister Nisi World, check out her channel. It's gonna be right here. She's gonna be rating it. Okay. Look at it.
There's so much slime in here. We
Alright,
gotta
guys.
get all those.
I'm gonna go get Nisi, and I'm gonna tell her to rate it. So I'll be back. Just starts to add some glitter. We're gonna. Okay, that's it. Look at my glowing. I call
Look at
this.
your slime falling.
Again. Okay. Okay. Nisi World Judge Your Slime. Which one do you like best?
I have to pick a song like best or like rate it 1 to 10.
The one you like the best. And rate it 1
Cause
to
it
10.
look the same.
No, they don't.
They
Okay.
look similar. I rate both of them 10s, and then the one I like better is Abigail because it looks like a gumball machine or something like that. Like it just came out. It looks like a gumball. Yours is nice too, Sam.
I think it's
nice.
gonna be a
Yours is
tie.
nice.
You saw that.
Get out your feelings.
Hers looks like a bubble gum.
I did